You have to show up for leg day too, and we might need you as a spotter for some other folks. And that will make sure not only that they can do their part of the lift, but that you can do yours. Something that's hard for white folk is fear. Fear of offending somebody, fear of exposing an ignorance. And let's face it, it's been pretty recently that we've done much more than a sugar-coated version of Chris Columbus and the first Thanksgiving. Most people have not had all of the information handed to them on a silver platter. They've had to go out and get it. We are slowly, too slowly, evolving what we're teaching about Native people. And so I think a lot of white folk are terrified. I'm going to upset somebody. I'm going to offend somebody. Have you ever seen an angry Native mom? Or, you know, I don't want to get beat up around the ears for the sins of my ancestors. And if I open my mouth and try to do what these people are telling me to do, I know someone's going to come bite my head off. That makes it hard to do things. I think one of the messages for the white folk is, well, a lot of white Americans have been really insulated from racial discomfort. All kinds of it. You can literally travel the world, and in so many places they will accommodate you and speak to you in English. Traveling throughout Europe, you could own a house in Costa Rica, have a maid staff, do the whole real estate transaction all in English, the official language is Spanish. Being accommodated does a couple of things. One is we start to expect a higher level of accommodation. And then there's a certain musculature that gets exercised by not being accommodated, and it atrophies. So now we want to talk about this stuff, and to a lot of white Americans, it's like they've been skipping leg day for life, and now somebody wants you to go to the gym and do leg day. And that does not sound good, especially when everybody's watching. And so the message is, don't skip leg day. We need you to show up for leg day. And I cannot honestly promise that leg day is going to feel awesome. Leg day might feel not awesome. But if you keep showing up for leg day, you will acclimate to that, and it can actually start to feel good. And above all, you will be getting stronger, and you can do your part of the lift. For Native folks and a lot of people of color, there's a whole bunch of different other things that are in the way. There, it's often frustration and anger. Like, do I really have to explain it again? Is it that hard to see? Residential boarding schools again? Let's talk. Do I really have to wait patiently longer when I don't get to live as long? Do I really have to wait patiently while there's a racial predictability to the discipline scorecard in our schools? And a racial predictability to who's graduating? And so people get angry and they get frustrated and they don't always show up as the best versions of themselves. And it comes out all wonky and sideways when they join the conversation, and it scares a bunch of white people away from the gym. So for Indigenous folks and people of color, the message is you do have to explain it again. And you do have to be patient at the same time that you're persistent. You have to show up for leg day too, and we might need you as a spotter for some other folks. And that will make sure not only that they can do their part of the lift, but that you can do yours. None of that is easy for anybody. And it's just hard getting everybody in the canoe, here's an Ojibwe metaphor, in the right spots, paddling together so you can really go somewhere, when it takes so little to have somebody jumping out of the canoe. But that's where we need to be so we can go somewhere. Because the only way through all this stuff is together.